Good morning.
Good morning.
How to say?
Adam.
I know say. What can I say? I'm also say.
So, see, Yanni is Rihanna.
Me, Sir Pacho. That's all Ben me help you.
It's my hood when Yajana.
Ah,
no,
yeah. And I was meant to be I'm from.
Say no idea.
Okay.
But more as a moon.
Yeah.
And I'm saying,
what do you Eja?
Mama Mini.
To Unya Namri.
Menana marry by
So, and I'm no mamma, you. And my catch my catcher said, dear. Saben Gumbuni say, yes, the BB back and on the day I'm on you know to be by. I've forgotten the music better. Oh, and now mood ye, mamma minami. Timmy de Bafreme. I know mamma minam.
Oh, no, the
I say the Brunia.
Oh, that's a brilliant new beard. Boy, I was go for Kuma.
Yes, I do. Yet, then I am your mamma Marcy. But we boy and Yaman.
Who's a union Muslim phone? Or more man, a head they crash the Korukum. By a day, do to me, Quabro, or so is here, you know me in Germany. It's your winning now. Happy Eid yesterday. And I'm Kobompire more money. I think during this Eid, they come together and they pray. See, Kumasia say in the mosques, Omkoko Bompire all through the nation. And see, your Bompire is already be on Pire, but on Bomma, any or mining. Asumdwe ene kanko ne ade ade
bra yes anko walk abi
onya mi na ade wu hia mo pa o aro bi ayi mu hijira da ade wo ka bo vim
ni o
wo ka ba se bu believe mo bi ba o
ale say the GDA tampa bonachi say
wo di GDA
e wo gabna e ko nya mi nyina achi
wo ni GDA ti ya
bi ya fine
wo ni GDA ti ya fo wo ko man qualify Rome, Italy. Oh, I'm qualified. Father, but you didn't more. Which you're gonna need the Bible.
Be a pope, none and buy no form. Konyamian Kokata. Say, when you're mere co walk up, a minor could be about by you. Me, my Italy, there's all doom could be. A minor could be about by you. Say, mother. But who video be Carlos Kirosh on a boys in a Yeshika? Who's will be so much? Are you ready? I'm ready. I'm saying, Kirosh. It's easier said than done. Kirosh, we come 2 hours ago. I was Kirosh. But yeah, welcome here. We'll relax. Say, I'm going to Sergio for Candino. Mama no Sergeant for Carlos Great. Hey, we know what to do, Papa's what. The band will US one. Me too. What I say, teams need to be quick on the transfer market. I think you can understand why Barcelona want to be this quick when it comes to the transfer market. Nyema bi kakra krabia to see, but. First off, the possible Enzo Fernandez to Madrid story, no? I think it's a political backing kakra wechiri. I think that because of the possible Madrid election because with Riquelme and Florentino Perez, no? It is forcing. Madrid will not deny omo pengs and as omo peno. Even if Madrid beats me at all, ultimately Enzo Fernandez campaign at this point in time, Florentino will not deny. They will say that they want to buy him. Chelsea have not been clear. Say almost when it comes to say, Enzo Fernandez they don't want to sell the player, but there are whispers say Enzo Fernandez agent Javier Pastore as start say any Jose Angel Sanchez didn't come from Madrid point of view. Say Mukramu team no more Valverde, more Chimani, more Bellingham, but sa deep line playmaker role no Toni Kroos more Modric more multi control games no more inside the new BR specialist for Sergio, which is true tactically. And he essentially trying to market his player to Madrid. Madrid for no whether or not they will buy depend on if they think that is an important role to fill and who the manager is when he comes in. But Chelsea one day they've been clear say they don't want to sell Enzo Fernandez. But so who pay Enzo Fernandez? Fernandez or no so person or then you pay the money. They were clear on the fact say in paying of the money in yes kebia and yes you can say the end to play and person could Now all the 60 million, 50 million there, but there be. For them, they don't want to make a book loss on Enzo Fernandez. What that means is that Sikan Omreto Enzo Fernandez no.
Open it there.
Anye kra says can pepe. Tia. 120. Yes, any I see it.
When I was sitting now open.
Now so open.
It's about Tragana for
na for the ko. Who make a book loss on him? Now the question is, clubs are here and anka ombetimi ato Enzo Fernandez say. ABI in terms of money, your chef fiscal. Paris Saint-Germain can buy Enzo Fernandez. Madrid can buy Enzo Fernandez. Manchester United can buy Enzo Fernandez. Man City can buy Enzo Fernandez. Liverpool, I think they can buy Enzo Fernandez. Arsenal, I think they can buy Enzo Fernandez. Bayern can buy Enzo Fernandez. But if you look at all of these clubs, Paris Saint-Germain were players to say Enzo Fernandez, and in the last season and or more, in terms of Ballon d'Or, these players are even seen as better than Enzo. Because also maybe a Vitinha on the Ballon d'Or podium, maybe a Jean Neves on the Ballon d'Or podium, and they all finish ahead of Enzo Fernandez. When you go to the Barcelona team of almost more players like Enzo Fernandez, Manchester United have the money, but I don't know if Enzo Fernandez would like to go there. Plus, as you look at how United have won Bono, you have gone on to go and replace Casemiro in Ederson, which is very close in materializing. Then Oko Club beats Arsenal, and they have players like Enzo Fernandez. It probably is Real Madrid. But whether or not Madrid will pay 120 million, that is the big deal. I like the fact that Chelsea for now have been fair with players now, and they are not making it easy. That is the importance of Chelsea for long-term contracts now. Because in yes, it would have been so easy for anybody to pick up any player and pay you chicken change. But we have seen that Barcelona look like they have the funds, and I'll explain why Barcelona are confident in going close to players and try to finalize whilst they be a Niska. The issue is Niska daho. It's about when you add the wage and all of that. Now amortize about books no so. I have Barcelona now saying Chelsea have also been clear on João Pedro. Say João Pedro. They want to keep João Pedro at Chelsea Football Club, and I think it's good because you then give Xabi Alonso the chance to speak to these players. Xabi Alonso Timini Enzo Dinko guys say Jack, mami one more season here in Shade. João Pedro can say okay, meaning say coach is assistant instability in the doors for Chelsea there, but let's see how this season goes under me. Which I think is going to be very important. Keeping the core players at Chelsea while Xabi Alonso is coming is as important as appointing Xabi Alonso. And yes, Xabi Bebano, no players, Sebi, Papa, and I experience one thing in Ako. After now, I got to experience everybody before Flower Best starting for BM. It's a waste of time. When you compare Deco to Matteo Alemany, Jordi Cruyff, and the recent past Barcelona sporting directors now, Barca phone reti Alemany more any cry from watching Deco. What they usually say is that in the dark times of Barcelona financial issues, we know they managed to sign Rafinha money at the other, you couldn't the money at the other. But since Deco came in, it has been young player we can cry on loan. No akofa Roni Baji Aba, and they feel like the level of football club Barcelona, Roni Baji doesn't quite get there. But I think that if this Anthony Gordon deal goes through, Barcelona fans will begin to rethink where they position Deco. Because it has been very swift. To be very honest, when I saw it, I was first taken aback. Say, he is a left winger. Rafinha a left winger. Marcus Rashford a left winger. Almost nominal formation for position, I don't know. But you've gone on to go and finalize quickly a deal for Gordon. That will probably do the medicals and it's going to be official there. Then it means that there's something there. Which I think Barcelona are thinking futuristic. I think that 2 seasons ago, almost top 3 players, Lewandowski, Rafinha, and Lamine Yamal, they were all in Ballon d'Or shout because of goal contributions in the season. So now we've come towards this season. Season, now Lamine Yamal numbers not dropping sharply. Rafinha numbers not dropping sharply. Lewandowski numbers not dropping sharply. And all of that comes on the back of consistent injuries of these players. Now, I can say, so last season, most of the games that Rafinha started and also Barcelona did not lose. It was a point in time where no good game Barcelona will not lose. It meant that he was the linchpin of the Barcelona team. So the left-handed side of the wing, is very important for Hansi Flick because of the dynamic of how he sets up his team in attack and in defense. In going to Newcastle to ask for Anthony Gordon, 2 things have prevailed. 1, I think the football club Barcelona think that they have a versatile player in Gordon.
obetimi abo as a second striker or a center forward when you need him to play there. Plus, he has the ability to play on the wing. Now, the work rate of Anthony Gordon without the ball is one of his best traits. And in all of that, this season, Oshe 10 goals in the English Premier in the Champions League for team friend Newcastle United. In fact, most of the goals came against Yunus and Jolo Amoni the other day, but that's the tally that he had in the season. Rich, Ninti Abasa have been quick to go and do that deal for Anthony Gordon, because one, Gordon is way younger than Marcus Rashford. Rafinha prepra, Rafinha did 30 or prepra. It means that Rafinha doesn't have a concrete 5 years ahead of him in football. Obetting about 5 years now, but it's going to be sporadic. Obonne, Omochina. This season alone, muscle injuries not also. And as we know from the sports and exercise science people, no, muscle injuries never care. But you reduce the intensity at which they happen, and that's what Barca want to do. So hence, let us get quality player younger than Abrante's friend Rafinha to come into the team, but can also play in the multiple position and can give us the same work rate and pressing ability of Rafinha, which is very, very important. Now, why didn't they finalize it for Marcus Rashford? Him say,
I
don't think so. I think they are playing mind games with Manchester United. In finalizing Gordon deal, no, Marcus Rashford did 29, Rich. It also did 30. Manchester United also know that Marcus Rashford is also aging. And for Barcelona, they would want to secure the future first before sorting out now. What they are telling Manchester United is they say, another loan there because we play an Onusu. Give us one more loan. And then we'll pay the money later. I think they won't. I think they will drive Barcelona for they will take Marcus Rashford on loan for 5 years straight. Because, Enrich, again, financially, it sort of affects them. Kakra, Anthony Gordon. When you look at the wages plus the amount of purchase, say, Anthony Gordon 6 years contract and that's a 5 years plus one. You are able to amortize over the period of 5 to 6 years, even if you buy it for 70 million. Now, the salary require 180,000 euros. Kampa. But Marcus Rashford edged 270 to 300,000 euros, pounds, or England. If he's taking a 40% salary cut, Campona, you are in and around 180, 190, 200,000 thereabouts. Who just says, who turn for 30 million? Marcus Rashford did 29. You cannot give Marcus Rashford a 5-year contract, can you? In football. In the amortization wise, it is probably better to do a deal for Anthony Gordon in the grand scheme of things with a bigger picture than him. But still, Barca would want to keep Abrante's friend Marcus Rashford around the team, which I think is solid. The most difficult of the transfers, Julian Alvarez, there, no?
For Atletico Madrid.
Yeah. Who's there? Newcastle and Champions League. So I'm certain that once Barcelona mentioned 70 million, it was big money for them. Oh, yeah, Champions League car. And Atletico Madrid have the Champions League. There's some money there. And Julian is very important for them. It is a who person for Julian Alvarez, you will pay big. You won't pay 70, you won't pay 80, you pay 100 plus. For Abrante's friend Julian Alvarez. Julian is clear that he wants to go there. And I think that Barca will try. One of the things I've seen with Barcelona and the one Laporta, and they say, then they will try. Even if it doesn't materialize, try and see they can get Abrante's friend Julian Alvarez. Which, the Barca say, Mama Kushrash for Tina, Ekipi Rafinha, Eddie Gordon, Abrante's friend Julian Alvarez, Bekalaminia Man Rafinha.
Solid team.
The attack is prolific. But
solid.
Priority, guys, is that where Barca should have enhanced first. Because for me, so I'm told these attackers no man solve the problem at left-sided centre back.
I don't think so. Solve it. Say a process.
But who's now? Bastoni is out of the picture. There have been a lot of reports.
Bastoni DNA kasem.
Yeah.
Which say who tie interfor na. Omo se besi na as a Barca for no. Omo person umbe iska. So what I say. And to say the work no. Maybe a strategy. So yeah, odi enyan kakra say a process because you say there your problem with our defense.
Yeah.
Is here as here adwen say chin ya ko interfor no ha.
Yeah.
Ebe mo so nkofo no gra akwa no nya no dodo.
Yeah.
Inti yebo na ye pe na engina ba bi egina no. But the enche da nya say de atwetwe ho na say bia Abrante no say suitors onya bia. So ho ebia it will push the boy no aka change interfor say look ebia Barca deal no. Mo nyama minti mon try na mon soften mo stance kakra ma me so that Barca deal ni betimi and done na me betimi ado. So sometimes I don't need a strategy. Yeah, na clubs in the time you see. I don't think but Barca be con next season.
a brass our problem no solve.
Yeah, I mean transfer you put that feeling here be.
Yeah.
There is a lot of time.
Na mo say mu to players be one.
Yeah, mo training a coach in start here Juma. You could best start here.
Radford or
David she. Da mo dia Ganacho. Mo for Bruno my. Yeah, no more. What's I need this year you mo man ko mo de Ganacho ba dey. Oh we Ganacho. Ganacho dey.
Na mo move be say.
Ganacho dey.
Mo di be say ni e so di bi asem.
Ganacho dey only highlight dey me fa mo boni kemoda. Na hani mi die tini Ganacho. E ko fa numbers ba here. What's the wood your data no come out the update data.
Na some mo di data ni to place.
Mount Sana. No so.
Da dey be me ba. Me say mo sporting director so mo di data ni to place.
But data be
and after so mo kan so mo try so mo have branded the data. No say branded numbers is good.
Yeah.
In the cover and data am the total.
Sa data dey.
Most people play bi am to bi based on data.
It's a quiz okoboka wa ka shit to amusi data. We data. Ganacho me who from fake tweet.
Agrona Barcelona for ni edi no mo nyai.
For Marcus Nana.
Marcus Rafford no.
Rich.
Abono mo ni edi no. Ye abon so.
Abon was answer.
I didn't know where.
Rashford about this a carry convincing is on Nabako.
No. You see now no. Wo Marcus Rafford bibia che say yan softie stands about so na for no me ready. E do betre fiana.
Dem say we panic on baba.
Ye be pano no ne chew.
Na mo left wing papa be na e better chin.
As men okay. No. Wo Abrante no na o sit mu mo biemo.
And I see a new coach. I under old coach and a new coach aba. The new coach in case of pen.
Say no wo Marcus Rafford no to. Ni ase akofa to the god na e kan bibia kire wo.
I only problem. But on all two options.
Enti ye no ye agency e be panic chew.
Moana,
we will never do that.
You must start a patch now.
Yes, that's
right. You never found a starting patch. Say Rashford should just come.
Now, so take a report now, Ebana. Pass off no money ready. So much yakapre. I below you, so you know yempe. I need a more from my day. It is a zone of better Viana. There be numbers and a more from my day. Okay. There is no way a move back as a more from play when I go to Basa for no mutuals can on Fabrantino. Basa, there is no way I am Mumulu. Basa for Marcus, you move only as an investment. Any problem. And there is a problem you know. No. Ah, na so better if you now. Obi okobo work up no. Okobo dey ever. No problem. Okobo work up no ba na o better club okobo. Carrick. Is there also no be page on him and booty. Oh, there you no pamucho. I think that senior ones can rush for a new player from 77. It's when after the World Cup Barcelona still decide not to badger. I think the United have to call their player back. It's simple. One player. And again, it was under an old manager. Some manager no call. Yeah, who said Michael Carrick buy or transform players into a just transformer. I'm not transforming Rashford me. Oh my transformer Carrick.
I'm not done. Say because every season, Rashford wakwada una Emery ase, wada Villa ase, wada Barcelona ase, wada Hansi Flick ase, wada United for us.
No, but you see, so be any problem any Abrante. Like you said, problem old coach now.
Exactly.
Which coach will you be? And Tina make us ononso Marcus Rafford, ononso ntenase. No reading in between the lines. Now it's clear.
Yeah.
Say, Barca for no, omunye ready zone between us kana United e peno.
Yeah.
And United, the answer you say, you better the Abrante na loan.
Exactly.
And the Basa who say who player no, on a problem in now.
Yeah.
So I feel that now on one Casamra back. Automatic. Now say so bad. Now so a player.
We automatically once the contract ends. Yeah, once the season ends,
what come. What long season? Oko boy.
I remember.
And the bra back to and to Uba. Sabeno, ye training out to bench. Oh wow! Training Graham and
Rashford.
This will be patch out.
Now I'm saying Bob Patrick Dogumun in our left wing. Rashford, when you ever see, because Mutiro.
Oh, Marcus Rafford there. Oh yeah. Okay, so Baba. Because yes,
it makes more financial sense. At Manchester, my only worry is that send a contract on Ebabe and there. Then that is where he'll probably have an issue. Whether United will trust him enough to renew the contract. And again, say United and trust here. Is there any other top club that willing to have him? I want to think at least the community and Marcus Rashford didn't come about what Barcelona's plan is with him.
because employer akophobia Barcelona or on the Barcelona season end there akokofana quickly for another English player in a state. I think that Deco will probably speak to him in that regard. Rich, you see, what can Madrid do? The reason why Madrid have not announced anything, spoken about anything like I told you, is because of the election that is coming up with Florentino Perez and Riquelme. The plan for Abrante friend Florentino Perez is that Riquelme, any audience, my name Bam Bes or anybody debates in this animal. And I even hear say with the announcing of Jose Mourinho, he won't announce Jose Mourinho until say he's going to do his press conference and probably even after that. And yes, Abrante friend Riquelme may not win the election at Football Club Real Madrid, but there is a future there for him. So pushy, things can go. I've seen say a lot of Madrid former players and current players, Karim Mustafa, Benzema, Moni Adiade, have started posting pictures and images of Omo and Papa friend Florentino Perez in solidarity with the man because they want to stand with him. And I think that it makes sense. Stand with Papa friend Florentino Perez, respect to Jumano on Beso. But again, so Madrid for basemen on results are players on Beso Moba. Vini has said in an interview, said for him, he has lived his young life as a player at Real Madrid and he wants to continue. Just a couple of almost a year with Vini contract, Also, Florentino Perez is trusting, and also trusting. And there are a lot of things that they need to finalize between the two parties. Vinicius Junior camp, and Florentino Perez, and Madrid fund, they need to finalize that. He went on to speak about Mbappe, said Charlie, on Mbappe, the only problem. And both of them want to make sure that Madrid will be able to be successful and get back to wherever they want to go.
Okay.
Yes, if Madrid will get all of that done, but you see, they're trying how Barcelona will finalize with Julian Alvarez, you see.
Charles was saying to I say, they have moved on from Marcus Rashford for Fiifi. If they sign Marcus Rashford, then it means Rafinha